Hey everyone, I got a 2018 Honda Odyssey. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this panel over here so you can have access in the front there. Or if you want to remove the battery. Alright, so let me show you. Alright, to remove the front panel, just fold out slightly. This one. Snap it. There we go. Alright, so that's how we remove the front panel of the 2018 Honda Odyssey. Okay, and to put it back, you see all these tabs over here, 2 pins. Just line them up and push it in. There's one here, one here. Alright, yeah, put this back. I should have cleaned it. I don't feel like it now. So just line up the where this can go. There's holes in there. Just keep eye on it. Put this in here first. Line up. There's the one. This thing will go here. Here, wherever those tabs go, just line them up here. See? Look, all right, I got everything back where it's supposed to be. Missing the two clips there. That's why it's kind of loose. It's not gonna fly away. Hope not. So alright, that's how you remove the cover and put back the cover on the 2018 Honda Odyssey. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.